Arrive in style with this Lincoln 2018 Continental Premier. If you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are front-wheel drive, active suspension, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, brake assist, aluminum wheels, tires, front performance and tires, rear performance. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.